Hey traders, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝐻𝑚's Weekly Forex Forecast. As usual, we will start with dollar index, DXY, we will cover few majors along with US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. The time frame that we are using here is 4 hours. So all of you who are new to 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝐻 channel, subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and let's dive into the charts. Apologies in advance, this week will be a short forecast, a quick summary due to the meet and greet session that we are going to conduct today in Dubai. So instead of cancelling today's weekly forex forecast, we have decided to give you a quick update, and the rest will be covered in details during our Sunday live session. So, DXY, for this one, last week we were wrong, and whenever we are wrong, we claim it. Market was here, and we were expecting market to go up, one more drop before the next structure. Instead, we've got a correction here, and then this shoot up. After that, market gave us a pullback, and then another push up. Now, what next for DXY? Anytime, market can start a pullback, and we are expecting this pullback to start early next week. So if I really want to put a title for next week, it's a pullback week. So if you are looking for a short-term trades, scalping trades, the direction is toward the downside for you. And we always say to our traders, patience, no setup, no trade. Jumping in is not a strategy. Euro dollar, this is same. We were expecting market to go down, go up before the next structure. Instead, market gave us a corrective structure here and this fall. This drop, guys, it was not expected. We were biased to the upside. After this drop, we've got a pullback for another fall. At We Trade Waves, we teach our traders about how to trade correctly. So it's not only about strategies. Strategies is a very small part. Get in the trade is easy. Getting out of the trade is the big challenge. And that's why we have our 4 golden rules for you guys. Do not jump in, do not overtrade or overrisk, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. So for Euro dollar, we will be waiting for our buy setups before we get in. Is this one of our trades of the week? Along with the long-term view, all of this will be covered in details this Sunday. And guys, if you are not joining our premium service, you will be missing a lot of opportunities. All the details are in the description under this video or on our website. Pound dollar, this is same as all the majors. Instead of getting an up wave, we've got a corrective structure for another fall. Now, after this drop, we've got a pullback. And 5 minutes before BOE decision, we have posted an update for our traders inside the Slack, and we have updated the premium analysis service dashboard. 5 minutes before BOE decision. We said looks like the news will drop pound once more, and market has fallen. So we don't leave people behind. And some traders have been with us from the very first course. Most of our traders are making progress. Don't take my words for it. You can go to our Trustpilot profile and check our testimonials page on our website. Anyway, coming back to pound dollar. Anytime, this will start a pullback. And this upwave, guys, it will be an impulsive move. And just an important tip for those who are advanced in wave analysis, any structure, guys, starts with an impulse. Any structure you name, any structure you know, corrective or impulsive, it will start with an impulse. This exclusive tip will help you a lot to understand the next wave. And also keep this as note, impulse doesn't mean 5-wave structure. That's why I always say, We Trade Waves wave analysis concept is different. Any buy setup we get, we will go for it. Remember one thing, pound dollar is on sale, not on sell. Aussie dollar, market has fallen more. We've got a correction like all the other majors, and then another fall. Pull back here, another drop. What next? We can get a corrective structure here, one more drop, and then the push up. Aussie dollar still showing us a sign of weakness. So a corrective structure, one more drop, before the next up wave is very possible. Are we going to sell this? Probably not. Dollar yen, BOJ made an intervention here. Most of you know this sort of structure, the double top formation. I have explained this more than once here on our YouTube channel. So market went up, took all the liquidity above these equal highs, and then we've got this drop. After this fall, we've got a reaction from here. Smart money concept traders, they know why from here. After that, we've got a pullback. So BOJ intervention, it might not be a reversal until we get a confirmation or a big corrective structure. The reversal is not confirmed as yet. If we get a corrective structure here, guys, and market gives us a buy setup, the next wave is towards the upside. And this up move, it can go all the way up to break this top once more, even after BOJ intervention. Follow us on a weekly basis, join our premium service to know more, because getting an update 3 times per week is better than once. Market is moving quickly nowadays, and the structure might change. We are following every single wave and every single move. So dollar yen for now, a pullback to the downside is expected. If this will turn out to be an impulsive wave, we will update you. For now, let's focus on this wave. New Zealand dollar, market has fallen. After this drop, we are expecting market to pull back. Like I said, if I need to put a title for next week, it's the pullback week. We are expecting all the majors to pull back. So anytime we get a buy setup for New Zealand dollar, we are going to take it. Let me repeat that. Anytime we get a buy setup. Without a setup, no trade. Pound yen, market has fallen. After this corrective structure, we've got this up wave and this fall. This was expected. Even from here, market gave us a corrective structure for another fall. This was also expected. But this move, even or biased to the downside, we were not expecting market to fall that much. What after this drop? If you are still in the sell, you move your stops and you manage your trades. If you are not in, market will pull back. This up wave, guys, we are expecting it to be a corrective structure. If we get a complete corrective structure here, another fall will be coming. For now, if you are not in, you focus on this wave. If you are in this sell, you move your stops and you manage your trades. USOIL, this was one of our trades of the week covered during our last Sunday session. And that's why, guys, I'm saying if you are not joining our premium analysis service, you might be missing a lot of opportunities. We've got this drop. After that, we've got a corrective structure, another fall. What next? Correction, another drop. We are still biased to the downside for USOIL. So all of you who took this sell and still in, you move your stops and you manage your trades. Those of you who are not in, wait market to correct before you go for the next sell setup. Without a corrective structure, the next sell setup is useless. Gold, 1680, we've got a corrective structure. We've got a drop. Near 1650, we've got a corrective structure. Market touched 1680, and then we've got another drop. This is what we have said last Sunday. Watch 1680 level. After that, we've got another fall. We broke 1650. What next? A pullback is expected here. So all of you who were selling gold, now is the time, guys, to start to be very careful. Means you take profits and you manage your trades. You have to take at least 70% off. After this up move or this pullback, we will update you. If we get a corrective structure, this will be a different story. For now, let's focus on this wave. More details about gold, the bigger picture, the bigger pattern will be shared during our Sunday live session. Dollar CAD, we were expecting market to pull back here, to give us a big corrective structure at least. We've got just a small pullback, market grab liquidity under this low, and we've got this shoot up. I'm repeating, last week we were wrong. Only those who are not following 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝐿 4 golden rules, they will lose big. Otherwise, you should be fine. And we cannot get it right every time. No one can anyway. You have to understand and accept that. We are here to help you become a better trader. And never ever underestimate your potential. You can be the best trader in the world. Believe in yourself and you can do it. Do not let small-minded people convince you otherwise. You can do it. If you invest in yourself wisely, if you invest in the right mentors, community, learnings, you will succeed. And I'm telling you from now, if you decide to join us or not, to take our masterclass course or not, you need no less than 6 to 9 months of dedication, hard work, practice in order to grab the concept. If anyone guys promise you that you will be successful in 1 month, run away. Forex trading is not easy. It will become easy only after you learn how to trade correctly, and we can help you with that. Anyway, coming back to dollar CAD. What next? A pullback is expected. So any sell setup we get from here or from above this top, we are going to take it. This will be short term or a scalping trade. Silver, we've got a corrective structure upwards and then another fall. What next? Pullback for another drop. After this down wave, we will update you. For now, let the market give you a corrective structure, one more drop, and then we might go for the next buy setup. This is what we can see for silver at the moment. Bitcoin, because of the dollar strength, we've got a drop. So all of you get in the buy from here. This must have been a break-even trade. We've got a fall, we broke this low, and the market started to correct. If market keeps correcting here, without pushing upside hard, without giving us an impulsive move to the upside, the next wave is toward the downside here. All depends on how the market will behave next from current levels. I'm repeating, if we get a corrective structure and markets start to move slowly to the upside, the next move is toward the downside, or else we might get an impulsive move from current levels. At the moment, the market is in the middle. All depends about what the next structure will be here. S&P 500, also a lot of you trade this one. We said from here market will be falling. We've got this fall. After that we've got a pullback and then another fall. Last week we said market will correct for another drop. This is exactly what the market is doing. What next? A pullback is expected here. If market will pull back or give us a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. For now, all of you took the sell from here or from here, you take profits or you manage your trades. Those of you who are not in, wait for market to pull back. If this will turn out to be a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. Like I said, the trades of the week, other pairs, all the other indices, stocks, cryptos, EURUSD, and fundamental analysis will be covered during our next live session. With that note guys, you trade with care, do not over-risk, do not overtrade, do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to a losing position.